అసెంబ్లీ సమావేశాల్లో భాగంగా ఐటీ పరిశ్రమలపై స్వల్పకాలిక చర్చ జరుగుతోంది. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
మరి ఐటీ పార్క్ ఏర్పాటు చేయాల్సిందిగా నేను కోరుకుంటూ అధ్యక్ష, మరి మైనింగ్ పాలసీ కూడా మరి కొత్త మైనింగ్ పాలసీ కూడా వస్తుందని చెప్పేసి మరి గతంలో కూడా స్టేట్మెంట్ విషయం అధ్యక్ష, ఆ మైనింగ్ పాలసీ కూడా మరి ఎప్పటిలోపు రాబోతోందని చెప్పేసి కూడా నేను మంత్రి గారిని మన వివరణలో ఇవ్వాల్సింది కోరుకుంటూ మనందరూ కూడా గర్వకారణమైనటువంటి మరి ఫార్మసిటీ ముచ్చర్ల ఫార్మసిటీ కూడా మరి ఎప్పటి లోపల రూపుదిద్దుకుంటుందో చెప్పాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటూ మరి చక్కటి అవకాశం నాకు కల్పించినందుకు మీకు మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. జై హింద్, జై తెలంగాణ.
అక్బరుద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ గారు.
Honorable Deputy Speaker साहब, आज जो मुझे मौका दिया गया है शॉर्ट डिस्कशन में ऑन द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल एंड आईटी सेक्टर इन द स्टेट ऑफ तेलंगाना, इस पर अपनी बात रखने से पहले सब्जेक्ट से हटकर सिर्फ 1 मिनट लूंगा और इसके लिए आपकी इजाजत चाहता हूं. वो ये है कि आज दूसरा दिन है और हम सब यहां जमा हुए हैं असेंबली में, तो मैं अपनी पार्टी की जानिब से ये महसूस करता हूं कि सबसे पहले सेकेंड कोविड वेव में जिन जिन लोगों का इंतकाल हुआ है, अपनी जानों से महरूम हुए हैं, मैं अपनी जानिब से, अपनी पार्टी के जानिब से, अपनी दिल की गहराइयों से कोविड में जिनकी मौत हुई है उनके अफराद ख़ानदान के साथ अपनी दिली हमदर्दी का इजहार करता हूं और अपनी जानिब से ताज़ियत पेश करता हूं. और उसके साथ ही साथ सेकेंड वेव ऑफ कोविड में जिन जिन लोगों ने अपनी जानिब से कोविड की लड़ाई में अपनी तरफ से जो भी ताउन किया, उन सब का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा. इन पर्टिकुलर द हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, the doctors, the nursing staff, all the lab technicians, all the government officials, the police department, and all the NGOs, and all and everybody who have contributed from their side for the fight against the COVID. I thank them all on behalf of myself and my party. And I hope that together we all, if another wave of COVID comes, together we all will fight and will make sure that we do the best, whatever possible in our capacity. Sir, now coming on to the discussion. Sir, I must say that Telangana state, formed in June 2015 after decades-long struggle, has really turned out to be a success story among states across the country. Under the leadership of Chief Minister Janab K. Chandrasekhar Rao Sahab, the state has made rapid strides across all the sectors: agriculture, industries, and IT services. I must congratulate Janab KCR Sahab for the state's progress and compliment Janab K.T. Rama Rao Sahab for the achievement in the industries and IT sector in a short span since 2014. The state was facing severe power shortage and power cuts, crop holidays and power holidays, with industries being the worst hit at the time of the formation. But with the initiatives taken by the TRS government, the state has become power surplus and power cuts have become a thing of the past. The installed power generation capacity of the state has more than doubled from 7,778 megawatts in 2014 to 16,245 megawatts, and the per capita power consumption has gone up from 1,100 units to 2,071 units in the same period. When I say this because this is the biggest achievement. If any industry has to survive, prosper and progress, we need power. And our state has been successful in reaching these targets. That is the reason, Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, I had mentioned the achievement and the consumption, per capita consumption, which has gone up from 1,110 units to 2,007 units in the same period, is also a very big achievement, I would say. So the initiatives in the irrigation sector such as Kaleshwaram project, Mission Kakatiya, Mission Bhagirath, as well as the boost given to the farming sector with many schemes for the farmers have contributed to the economic growth of the state. 24/7 power supply and abundant water supply has given a flip not only to the agricultural sector but also to industries and IT and services sectors. Sir, I have also gone through the note which has been tabled. It's a very big day, two big notes, sir. And I have seen the achievements. I have gone through the detailed note given. And I would say, sir, it would have been rather better if we would have had two separate discussions. But we have taken these two. One is for the IT and other is for the industries. Both have been clubbed together. A real justice would not be given if short time is given. So I request the Honorable Deputy Speaker साहब थोड़ा सा वक्त अगर ज्यादा देते हैं तो दोनों पे तफसीली अचीवमेंट्स को हम देख सकते हैं. If I go through the note, progress of industries and IT sector in Telangana state, sir, सबसे पहले IT promotions में हम देखते हैं तो जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो हमको फख्र होता है अपनी रियासत पर